Welcome back to New Jersey Real Estate Training. My name is Dave Blinder, your head coach. I'm a licensed real estate agent with eXp Realty in New Jersey, as well as a mentor for our brokerage. In today's free training exercise, I'm going to show you one of my very favorite techniques for buyer lead follow-up. We're going to be looking at a manual text message campaign. I know folks are always looking for an easy button, but in the real world, there's not always an easy button for every process, and sometimes manual touch points may be the way to go when working with your priority buyer and seller leads. As real estate agents, we know the money is always in the follow-up. So I'm going to bring up my iMac desktop and my Safari browser on my iMac. I'm already logged into Garden State MLS. I'm going to go to my saved searches quickly. And for this text message campaign training video, I'm going to bring up the eXp Realty brokerage listings in North Jersey for the counties of Bergen, Essex, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, and Sussex. These are coming soon and active listings provided by our brokerage. I'm going to hit the search button on Garden State MLS. You can use any MLS of your choosing for this training video. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that yes button to proceed with the search. I'm going to quickly press on the DOM sort button that's sorting by days on market. And we can see among all of these great listings by eXp Realty in North Jersey, very, very strong market presence in New Jersey as well as all 50 US states for eXp Realty. We have a great coming soon colonial listing in Montgomery Township. I'm going to go ahead and click on that MLS number. So, very beautiful listing at 91 South Wiggins Lane in Somerset County in Montgomery Township. Great listing by Elizabeth Del Casel. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy and paste that, just the MLS number. This will all make sense in just a moment. And then I'm going to head over to my kvCore website. This is my public real estate website that's being provided for me by eXp Realty. It's included in that low monthly fee we pay every month of $85 for the great technology that eXp Realty is giving to us. If you were to purchase kvCore on your own, I believe it is a $400 or $500 monthly fee. So this is quite a bargain, as kvCore has carousels of listings in our featured towns, newest listings. These are all interactive. We have some market update features on various towns in our service areas. So we are going to, again, copy and paste that MLS listing number from Garden State MLS. I'm going to hit the search button on my kvCore website. And voila, we have now brought up the listing at 91 South Wiggins Lane, Montgomery, and brought it over from Garden State MLS or whatever MLS you're working on to your kvCore website. The beauty of this is all of the links on your kvCore website put you as the point of contact. So when you send these out to your buyer leads, they're always going to be thinking of you as top of mind for their buyer's agent of choice. And it's very, very important that you're acting as a real estate matchmaker when working with your leads. You want to be sending them exactly what they're looking for on a timely basis, and you want to prioritize their needs. So now I'm actually going to copy my URL link from kvCore right off my browser. And what I'm going to do on my iMac desktop is now head on over to the messaging app, which syncs with my iPhone. And in this case, I'm sending a practice text message to myself, but you would be sending this to your buyer who's looking for properties in Montgomery Township. You can see I've done this training exercise before. So I just like to write out a succinct but thoughtful text message. I don't just send links without a little bit of text or context included to my leads. Hey Dave, I wanted to make sure you knew about this great coming soon listing in Montgomery. would you like me to schedule a showing for us? So that's a call to action as well as context for our text message. And then I like to do an option, enter or return to clean up the text a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and paste in that link right from my kvCore website and hit the enter button. And guess what happens? They get a little preview of the property on their phone, their mobile device, as well as this interactive link, so that they can now interact with the listings on our kvCore website. They can save it to their favorites once they've created an account. They can even chat with you, the buyer's agent, to ask more questions about the property. So these buyer text message campaigns that I'm almost always running are supplemental to email drip campaigns, but I find that the personal touch goes quite a long way when you're prioritizing the needs of your buyers and sellers. So again, the money is always in the follow-up. This is the daily work that we need to do as real estate agents, and I typically don't end one of these programs until my buyers or sellers request that I stop, or I know that they've already purchased a property. I realize they have very busy lives, and I expect that they do not have the time to respond right away, and that's okay. We are just keeping them informed as the neighborhood experts and letting them know about all the newest properties and market trends as well. So that was a mouthful, but I am going to wrap up today's training video. I hope that was helpful to you. If this is your first time on our channel, please take a moment to subscribe so you're notified every time we put out a new training video. If you'd like any information on the great resources we utilize at eXp Realty in my mentoring services as well, just let me know or drop a comment down below the video. Thanks, I'll see you in the next one.